Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So first of all, for today we have AMD Ryzen Threadripper Pro CPUs, which had come to the DIY market. Firstly, it was only available for the system integrators, but now it will be available for everyone by the end of this year, and it comes with all the various things which Threadripper lineup came with, but it is targeted towards enthusiastic or like high performance processors, like for example workstation builds and etc. But it is coming for the DIY market. As you can see on the screen here, it is the Threadripper Pro series, and it goes up to 64 core 128 thread with 5995 WX. And do note, it is a Pro lineup. We still don't know whether they will do like the normal, not a Pro moniker, but a normal Threadripper CPUs, which were pretty good at that time when they launched. Like the last one was 3950X. It was 3000 series Ryzen 3000 Threadripper CPUs with 32 core 64 threads, and they haven't done it since then. We still don't know whether they will do it with 5000 series or not, but I think they had done with their Threadripper lineup for the gaming GPUs, gaming market, because it doesn't make sense to have this kind of performance and this many cores, because clearly games don't use like this many cores. It just like it uses only up to 8 cores, and they are going up to 16 cores in Ryzen 7000. So yeah, and you can see that there's models like the RX80 motherboards from OEMs will be available. So yeah, it is coming to the DIY market, so at least some CPUs are coming. Threadripper CPUs, Pro CPUs are coming to the DIY market. So rejoice, AMD is going all in with it. And also moving on, we have some news regarding RDNA 3 and the performance uplift it can get, because there is a surprise. Because recently I made a video where the target is like 50% and there's not a power limit if AMD chooses it, because NVIDIA is going to push their GPUs at a very high play, very high power requirements, and AMD knows about it. So there's like a report going on, as it is been tweeted out by resident leakers regarding RDNA 3. But first of all, we knew that RDNA 3, like the high-end GPU, will come with MCM architecture, and along with it we knew like it will come only one GCD and 4 MCDs, like multiple memory control modules and not graphical models. But since it's a tweet going on, I think like it will come with 2 GPUs. As always, Grimon55 has tweeted out like it will come with 16384 stream processor in Navi 30 series graphics. So he doesn't know which Navi 32, Navi 30 or Navi 30 variant it comes with, but it is going to come soon. And he also knows states like it consists. He doesn't know if it really exists or if it's a gaming card, but it is coming, and this many cores equates to 128 core units. Yeah, and 128 core units equals to like double the GPU core. So it is 2 GPU dies in one. So it will come with like 2 GCDs, 2 graphical control unit, and 1 and 4 MCDs or 16 MCDs. We still don't know about it, but there might be a high-end 7900 series graphics card going on. Maybe it is an ultra variant. We still don't know. Time will tell about it. But yeah, Gripman55 is tweeted, and almost all official leaks are spot on. And since this is not an SLI configuration, so it's going to be 2 GPUs in one single 2 GPU dies in one single GPU. So yeah, AMD might be doing something best, but we still don't know whether it's for gaming or not. But yeah, let's see. Time will release all of it, but time will tell. But if AMD launches its first MCM based GPUs, it will be terrifying for NVIDIA, and it is to be expected by 2023. So moving on, recently we had a GPU crash, not a GPU crash but crypto crash, and it has been at all-time low, and now we are seeing like the GPU's prices are coming back to normal, as I made a video on it where AMD's cards are 92%, 8% below MSRP, and Nvidia's card are 2% higher in MSRP. But now, since the mining is not profitable due to Ethereum, due to difficulties and stuff like that, there's like crypto miner GPUs and entire systems are available for selling in China. As you can see on the screen here, it's Galaxy 30X graphics lineup, and it includes 3060 most of the time. And yeah, you can see they are selling. But do note, like, these are used 24/7 for mining, so you should not go. But it has directly affected the GPU. It has directly affected eBay and also EVGA, as EVGA has stated. Like EVGA has stated like the queues for GPUs are being removed as GPU market is starting to gain, and it has been reported by VideoPass itself. Like they are going to remove its queue system for RTX 30 series of graphics. So rejoice, GPU prices are coming back to normal along with many GPUs available. Moving on, we have news regarding ARC's A380 desktop GPU, which was available in China, and the report says like it is better in synthetic benchmark, but in gaming it is worse. It even doesn't fare against GTX 1650. It is worse compared to 6400. And to note, like Nvidia claim it is like it gives 4% higher performance per yuan compared to 6400, but at the same price we can get, like right now because of GPU crash, crypto crash, we can get a 6500 XT. So giving A380M is around 150, it goes around $300, and at that price 6500 XT is pretty good. So yeah, it's still $150, sorry. So yeah, it looks pretty bad for Nvidia and for Intel, and given the fact that RTX 40 series is coming very soon, I doubt Intel will have more power up their sleeves. They might have botched this lineup, so let's hope and wish like the high end does better, and we still don't know when it is coming. So that's it from me today. What do you think about all of this news? Sound off your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.